Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to my Canva Masterclasses. Congratulations on completing module number 3. Now we are going to start module number 4, Canva AI Tool. In this module we are going to learn how artificial intelligence can help us to create design, write content, generate image and edit your project faster. In today's lecture we are going to understand all what is AI and how Canva use AI. So let's get started. So, firstly, I will open Canva. Okay, now I will tell you what is AI. AI stands for artificial intelligence. It allows softwares to perform tasks that normally require human intelligence, such as writing, creating image, translating content, and editing photos. Okay? AI in Canva help us with content writing, create design, generate images, editing photos, remove background or objects, translating content, and creating captions. In upcoming lecture, we are going to explore these tools one by one. Okay? So let's open Canva and explore the All AI and Magic Studio area. I will show you where Canva's AI-powered tools are available. For example, we can give AI a simple prompt. Canva AI. And now here I will give a simple prompt. Create a modern Instagram post for fashion brand. Let me write. Okay, my Canva, due to some policies, is not generating Canva AI using. So I will go to Dreamlab and here I will write a prompt. Create a modern Instagram post for a fashion brand. And post spelling mistake. I was watching on keyboard and press enter. Here it will generate image, let it generate. Canva can help us to generate a starting point that we can customize. Like it has read before, I will choose this one. And open in editor. Okay. I think my network is a little bit slow. So here it is open. We can also edit if you want. In our upcoming lectures, I will tell you in detail these things, okay? So here's some brutal example. Imagine a client need an Instagram post quickly. Instead of starting completely from scratch, we can use AI to generate ideas and then customize the design. Remember, AI is our assistant, not replacement for creativity. Okay, common mistakes, some 4. Today I will tell you 4. Depending completely on AI, using AI content without checking it, giving unclear prompt, not customizing the final design. Okay, pro tips. The more specific your prompt is better. Oh, my network is gone. Better your AI result can be. Always reboot and edit AI-generated content before using it. So, do your practice and customize a prompt. A prompt is create a Canva modern Instagram post for fashion brand. Okay, then customize the result using your own colors, font, and text and send me. Okay, on Instagram. Free certificate reminder. Don't forget to earn your free certificate, Canva Master Certificate, okay? Complete all 60 lectures and practice tasks, like and comment on every video, subscribe to the channel, complete the practice work and share to your work or Instagram by tagging me on Hawaii. Or share to your story, share to your post, I will reshare it, or send me a message. Complete the full course and practice work to be eligible for free certificate. Okay? Great job. We have officially started Canva AI module. In our next lecture, we are going to learn about Magic Write and how it can help us to improve writing content. Thank you so much for watching this video. Keep practicing and I will see you next lecture. Allah Hafiz and happy designing.